Alrighty, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Saturday, April 18th. For the last time, are you going to get it right eventually? It's not April, it's May 18th. Get that right. Don't you guys just love when you go to start your tractor and you hear poof underneath the hood? Yeah. So, went to go start the tractor yesterday and something went kapoof. Yeah, I'll show you here in a minute what had happened. But first of all, I want to let you guys know of a YouTuber whom I stumbled across last night. Clubfoot. That guy's freaking hilarious. Oh man, he is spot on with his videos. I think he farms like 1,800 acres or something. Yeah, so I'm not going to give it away just yet what we're working on here, but I'm going to walk over here. And I'm going to show you that it's doing outside. It's friggin' raining. Friggin' raining, eh? Holy crap. Well, we got us a project here. Alright, enough in suspense. 3010 broke. The generator locked up on it. You believe that? The generator there locked up on it. The belt there's good and everything, but that generator part, you're supposed to be able to spin that by hand. It's froze up. It's junk. Yeah. Stupid thing drained the batteries too, because there's a short in it, drawing power from the batteries to generator. It started fine before, but I don't know, so we're going to be replacing that today. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so I'm working on this 3010. Getting these side screens off here. These are easy. Too easy, actually. Gotta put this hood up, pick it up. Don't remember what holds this front on. I know there's... No, that's for that. Oh. I think if we just undo these and bend it forward, should be okay. I think it's a half-inch wrench, 9/16. Half-inch wrench. Gosh darn it, 9/16. I was right. Okay, so 9/16. I gotta quit wiping my fingers across the darn linen of this thing. It's already smudged. So take them out. This is a 1963 3010. Oops, gotta do the other side too, don't we? Gosh darn it. Good tractor. We don't normally, the only job it does is it's retired. It don't do any tillage or anything. It's the perfect tractor for raking hay, pulling the dolly, or for pulling the rake hitch. Because of its versatility, whereas wide front end, you can't get in that easy. Make your turns at the end. Did I take the wrong one out? No. Did I? No. Huh. Fuck. Well, why the heck would John Deere do that? A 3-bolt hood. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's loose up there. Huh. Yeah, that's loose. I don't know. Oh, you know what? Does this gotta come up because of that seam? I think it does, because this overlaps it. Okay. What size wrench? I think 9/16 maybe. Oh, there it is on the toolbox. So, we had this tarp strap on here for the seed wagon last night. To hold this lever at detent. Oops, hold this one at detent. So, I hate when that happens. You can't grab nothing and so I can't believe I gotta take this thing off. Crap. Hope I can get away with it, but gosh darn it. Won't give you much room behind this. There it went. Okay, so I got the bolts out. It comes off easier than I thought. Who's that? Oh, okay. I'll pull this apart. This darn PTO level. Got it like that because yeah, it sets down over there. That's loose. Uh-oh. More Pete. Trying to figure out. Got the generator off this thing. So we'll have to go get a new one. It's all locked up. It's froze up, so bearing went out in it. Thanks for watching, guys. Now, so the voltage regulator went bad on this 3010. I don't know nothing about this stuff. This is all Dutch to me.